Chote? Hey, Chote!
Arey, why do you keep calling me Chote, yaar?
I think you should get used to your new name. Chote?
Why Chote?
Aren't you paying attention to the commercial, huh?
Oh.
Not Chote Nawab.
Okay, no. First of all, don't call me Chote Nawab, okay? I hate that. But, Chote as in like one of those... Anyway, I don't look very Nawabi in the new commercial, that's for sure, do I?
Yeah, that's just why you get used to your new name, Chote.
Listen, your life is about to change too, okay? I have two words for you. Bye-bye.
Oh, go on. Acha, listen, Saif, just let's get serious. How do we get out of this chakkar?
It's a 2.5 crore question.
A 2.5 crore question?
Is that a new flavor? Okay, wait, I've got one more. How many stars does it take to do laundry?
How many stars is it? Laundry family? No, I don't know. Hey.
Ladies and gentlemen, Frito-Lay presents Chala Change Ka Chakkar. Your chance to change places and live the life of your favorite stars. और आज से change का चक्कर चलाने के लिए please welcome brand ambassadors of Frito-Lay, Saif Ali Khan and Juhi Chawla.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening. I don't know if you could hear us backstage or whether you thought it was funny, but we thought it was quite funny, sir. Yeah, thank you. Very encouraging.
All right, good evening Saif, good evening Juhi. Great to have you here with us this evening.
Thanks, good evening.
All right, firstly, how do you feel about Chala Change Ka Chakkar? Exciting, isn't it?
Very exciting.
I thought it was a wonderful idea. I mean, when I first heard about it, I remember smiling. I thought it was quite exciting. And I thought it would be... Well, on screen it was fun. But I'm sure if I was to really have to do all that work, it's not going to be so much fun. But definitely amusing. And I don't know where I might end up, in this Change Ka Chakkar. I'd wait to see.
Exactly. There's two sides to the story. One is where you and Saif end up, and one is who actually ends up with you, because your fans across the country are going to be extremely excited to live one day of your life. Saif, for the record, take us through a day in your life. What's it like?
Well, a good day is usually up at about 7:30, a little bit of yoga and some gym. And then on a working day, work till about 6 or 9 in the evening. And then back home, if they're awake, and some time with family, and quite boringly to bed. That's a working day. The days off a little bit more exciting in some ways. Perhaps I like getting up late on those days.
But is there anything you want to warn your fans against, because they think that
Oh yeah, it's
a
not that
star's
easy.
life is really rosy.
Yeah,
is there
no,
anything you want to warn your fans
It depends.
about?
I mean, if your work is hard, then that could be challenging. Also, there's some slightly frightening neighbors and people that one has to deal with in life, like a dodgy DVD guy who keeps coming over in the evenings. Strange things, but I'm quite used to them. But I'm sure people will find it interesting to deal with.
And demanding directors as well?
Oh no, not really. Not really.
What about you, Juhi? Take us through what a normal day in your life is like right now.
Actually, it goes two ways. If I'm working, then yes, it's early morning, rushing, seeing the kids off to school, then getting into the car, getting to work. Like Saif said, something like 6 or 9, depending on the shoot. And then back, and if you're lucky and the kids are still awake, you see them, else you don't, and it's too bad. But if it's a day off, then it's even more full. Then, there's music lessons, there's yoga, there's, being with the kids, playing with them, studying with them, putting up with their tantrums, and generally a joyful day in its own way. And it's time spent at home doing home things, There's always errands to run. So there's plenty to do.
So
Yes.
basically, whoever takes your place has to put up with your kids' tantrums.
Yes.
Let that be a warning for all of India as well. Okay, quick question for you. Okay, let's talk about where you end up. Is that an exciting prospect or a scary prospect?
You know, a polite answer would be that you know, it'd be educational and slightly different, but yeah,
It would be
yeah, educational
educational.
and slightly different. And it's nice to know how different people deal with different things, and maybe enriching as an actor also to see these things. Yeah, that
These four to take their place. Obviously, they're taking your place, and by default, you're going to their place. Would you be?
I'd like, I mean, easily I think a schoolboy for a start. Yeah.
At exam time,
I don't know, but you know, just young and
what do you think is carefree?
yeah, what you think is carefree, and I don't, yeah.
And
I
it's quite
enjoyed
cool.
school.
You could go with your son to school.
Oh, like that. So I would have to go to school.
Let's say one of your son's friends wins this contest.
Yeah.
You actually end up in your son's class. That's a likelihood, isn't it?
Okay, maybe rickshaw. Wala.
All right. Okay, Juhi, your choice. Would you rather be a bus conductor, a havaldar, a neighborhood bania, or a waitress?
Like the cop, wouldn't you? I think.
Sorry,
I think cop.
I was
get
going
the
to go
feeling.
for Havaldar. I really was going to go for that. I think that would be something. That would be really different for me.
आपकी pocket में काफी change का चक्कर आ जाएगा if you're a havaldar.
Well, let's not say anything now.
All right, there's one more brand ambassador, of course, who's not with us today, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. What do you think of how he's looking in that commercial as a black marketer? Juhi, you first.
And I'll have to admit, when I went to dub for my commercial, I asked the director, I said, what have Saif and Dhoni done in
Haven't
their
seen it.
ads? Tell me, no, I haven't
And I
seen the
it.
ads.
We should all have a look at it together, and then you should ask
Yes.
us. But guy, it's a wonderful image and persona on the cricket field. The things he stands for and represents, I think all of us are very proud, and we'd like to welcome him aboard. And I think what he's done, I saw a little bit, looks very cool, but we need to have a look at it.
Well, we can actually let Saif and Joey have a look at what. And today we actually scored the lowest score by a team in 2020. So he definitely wants to change places with anybody today.
Yeah, well, there's highs and lows, and that's the game. You know, if we were consistently winning, it wouldn't be an exciting thing. But we've proved that we're a wonderful team. He's a great captain. Everything's fine. You win some and you lose some, yeah?
Exactly. So if you had a message for your fans, you know, right now as to what they should look forward to about Chala Change Ka Chakkar, what would it be?
I'd say participate. I mean, go out there, try your luck, because I think this is a wonderful thing. There are lots and lots of prizes, and of course, a day to exchange your lives with us. Go for it. Go for it.
Saif?
Yeah, and be a little careful. You might not get what you expect, but no, I think it's a wonderful thing. It'll be lots of fun, and I'm quite excited to see what happens.
I think we're all extremely excited, and from today, all of India is going to be extremely excited. Thank you so much. And now, actually, what we're going to do is we're going to throw the session open to a question and answer session. So I'd like to invite Gautam and Deepika on stage. I think we'll have a couple of mics going around. So can we have some house lights, please? Just a little bit of house lights so we can actually see. For anyone on stage, please raise your hand. We'll have a mic come to you.
My question is to both of you all, Saif and Juhi. If you had to change yourself to any Bollywood personality except like Saif or Juhi, whom you would pick?
You go first on that one, Sai.
Hard to say, you know. No one really. I'm happy being myself. But I mean, if I had to absolutely change into something, don't know. Probably aim for the best. Maybe a young Mr. Bachchan or young Mr. Shah Rukh Khan. Someone extremely successful and talented, really, obviously. Like me.
I'm pretty happy being me. Can I just play that way, please?
You have to change.
No. I go to the Havaldar instead. That's a good change.
This particular brand.
Well, I think the brands in question also do a lot of research. And if we find that we complement each other, I mean something that like Lays, which is what we're here to talk about, at the time that we signed a few years ago, was just something really cool and hip and fun. The ads that we did were, like that, and something aimed at relating to the youth in a slightly funky way, but at the same time being conscious of family values and things like this. So it's a mutual complement. So when a brand offers you something, you look at basically what the brand is. It's not just money. I mean, there have been brands that one says no to also, based on image, which wouldn't be right to mention who they are right now. And others that represent a certain level that you yourself would like to be associated with, and it's mutually beneficial.
And I think we're really glad that we chose each other. Not Saif and I, but Lays and Saif. Yeah. And but I think it's a great personality fit for Lays and Saif. And we were looking for a brand ambassador there who was cool, aspirational, chill, laid back, very comfortable in his own skin. And Saif was all of that. And I think he's just grown from strength to strength year after year. And it's rubbed off onto the brand. And I think we've been pretty lucky for him as well.
Yes, very much so. Very much so.
And likewise for Juhi, I mean, she just makes Kurkure come alive with her irrepressible masti. And I can't imagine Kurkure without Juhi. And the latest extreme ad that she's done, where she's jumped all over the place and just brings alive the masti in Juhi and in Kurkure. So I think we're really lucky in our brand ambassador.
Thank you, Ritika. It's very kind.
Thank you, really, thank you.
Any more questions? Well, if you don't have any more questions, then once again, thank you so much for being with us this evening. Thank you, Saif. Thank you, Juhi. And we'll give you 5 minutes of time, one-on-one time with Saif and Juhi in front of the screen right now. In the meantime, enjoy your dinner.
The wife called her husband and he's really coming home because you're such a misfit. It's really sweet. I haven't seen it, but I heard. I mean, I made Pradeep ji tell me what it was.
सैफ जो ही एकदम बीच में हाँ
एकदम क्या?
एकदम बीच में
They'll just everyone will bring
ठीक.
hold on
Good, I think.
Yeah.
How do we get up? Yeah.
They'll do
Oh,
it
we're doing
here.
here. Sorry, man.
They'll do it
Sorry,
here.
miss.
Do it here. Don't everyone.